Now let's do one sum where the data has no gap, so means we don't have to do any continuity correction. So 10 and 10, so that's it. This is the class boundary and that's it. So when you draw the class boundary on the x-axis, all you have to do is 5, 10, 20, because there is no gap here. You don't have to put any 0.5. Let's start with the frequency density. So FD is going to be frequency divided by class width. So now here you don't have to do 10.5 minus 4.5 or anything. You just have to subtract it. 10 minus 5 is 5. Frequency 16 by 20 minus 10 is 10. Very straight. 20 divided by 25 minus 20 is going to be 5. 18 divided by class width is 30 minus 25 is 5. And this is going to be 20 divided by 40 minus 30 is 10. 14 divided by 60 minus 40 is 20. And 12 divided by 90 minus 60 is 30. So let's calculate. 8 divided by 5, 1.6. This is also 1.6. 16 divided by 10. This is 4. 18 by 5 is 18 divided by 5 is 3.6. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 14 divided by 20 is 14 divided by 20, 0.7. 12 divided by 30 is 0.4. Now let's draw the axis. The data here is length. So length, the labeling is very important. Unit in centimeter, and the y-axis is always frequency density. It starts from 5 and ends at 90. Let's try to see whether it works here or not. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So we need one more. Let's see how it works out. So the height is 1.6, 1.6 up to 3.6. If you use 0.5, it's going to be 0.51, 2, 3, 4. So the first one is from 5 to 10. So here we don't have to do the 0.5 continuity correction. This is extremely important. Since we have no gap here, the class boundary is the limit. So 5 is the class boundary, 10 is the class boundary. There is no need to do continuity correction because there is no gap here. So the height is going to be 1.6. So 5, so here to 10 here. So this is 1.6. Next one, 10 to 20. The height is 1.6 again. So 10 to 20. So 1.6. The next one is 20 to 25. 20 to 25. The height is 4. The height is going to be 4. 20 to 25. The next one is 25 to 30 and the height is going to be 3.6. So 25 to 30. Height is 3.6. Next one is 30 to 40. Height is 2. So 30 to 40. So the height is 2. Then 40 to 60, the height is 0.7. So 0.7 is going to be around here to 60. So this is 0.7. And then we have 60 to 90, which is 0.4. So 0.4 is here. So 60 all the way to here, maybe around here to 90. And then we can do some shading. That's it.